Smartwatch. For the first time in India, Mahindra & Mahindra provides smartwatch connectivity with the infotainment system. Using smartwatch, the user can perform several functions such as audio controls, emergency assist, etc. How to connect Apple Watch to iPhone? In Apple Watch, select I icon at the right bottom. Select language, then select region. Select Start Pairing to start pair with iPhone. Ensure you have active Bluetooth and internet connectivity on your iPhone. Launch Watch app on iPhone. Select Start Pairing on main screen and scan Apple Watch for pairing. Select any one of two options: restore from backup or set up as new Apple Watch to start pairing. Pairing will take few minutes. You must agree the Apple terms and conditions. You will receive a message in iPhone for providing Apple credentials. How to connect Apple Watch to infotainment. Ensure you have active Bluetooth and internet connectivity on your iPhone. Connect iPhone to Thar infotainment via Bluetooth. Ensure iPhone is connected as phone and music on infotainment. Launch BlueSense app in iPhone and ensure BlueSense app is connected with infotainment. Launch BlueSense app in Apple Watch and start exploring the app. Features available in BlueSense app for smartwatch. Audio controls, emergency assist, location services, fuel statistics, tire tonics, settings. How to connect Android smartwatch to Android smartphone. Ensure you have active Bluetooth and internet connectivity on your Android smartphone. Launch Wear OS app and select Start Pairing. It will automatically search for the nearby Android smartwatch. Select the desired Android smartwatch for pairing and pairing requests will be sent to both the devices. Once you have accept the pairing request, Wear OS app will start pairing. It will take few minutes. You will receive a message in Android smartphone for providing Google credentials. How to install BlueSense app in Android smartwatch. Ensure BlueSense app is available in Android smartphone. Launch Wear OS app in Android smartphone and select Resync apps from advanced settings. Launch Play Store app in Android smartwatch. Scroll down for apps installed on phone. Select Install icon to start installing Mahindra BlueSense app in watch. How to connect Android smartwatch to infotainment. Ensure you have active Bluetooth and internet connectivity on your Android smartphone. Connect Android smartphone to XUV 300 infotainment via Bluetooth. Ensure Android smartphone is connected as phone and music on infotainment. Launch BlueSense app in Android smartwatch and ensure BlueSense app is connected with the infotainment. Launch BlueSense app in Android smartwatch and start exploring the app. Features available in BlueSense app for smartwatch. Audio controls, emergency assist, location services, fuel statistics, tire tonics, settings. Let's see all the features in detail. Audio controls. User can control following audio controls from smartwatch. Pause or unmute. Play or mute. Next song station. Previous song station. Source selection. USB, band, BT audio, aux, iPod, iPod 2. Volume increase and decrease. Emergency assist. User can connect to Mahindra customer care in case of emergency. With short press on phone icon, call will be triggered to Mahindra customer care after user confirmation. With long press on phone icon, SMS will be sent to Mahindra customer care. Location services. User can have following features in location services. Locate my vehicle. User can find his/her vehicle location, last park location. Share my location. User can share his/her current location to friends, family. Fuel stations near me. User can view nearby fuel station on his/her mobile. Fuel statistics. User can view following features in fuel statistics. Average fuel economy, distance to empty, tire tonics. Smartwatch notifies user if vehicle type pressure is less than the threshold value. Settings. User can feel vibration on smartwatch while selecting any of the BlueSense app buttons.